Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your Good Coffee Great Coffee app that it's crashing on either your Android or your iPhone, or on your iOS, and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, but I was able to fix it, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Good Coffee app, and instead I went into the App Store because I'm using an iPhone. But if you're using an Android phone, then you're just going to go into the Google Play Store instead, just so you know. So don't worry if you're using an Android, just go into the Google Play Store and you're going to be able to follow along step by step as well. So in here, we're just going to search for now Good Coffee. Great Coffee. So just search for Good Coffee, Great Coffee, scroll down and then click on the app in here. And as you can see, I have this blue button in here where it says open, right? But if it says for you something like update or something similar to this, it's very important that you click on that update button. Because what will happen then is that you will be able to actually update your app to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to do to try to fix this issue. So basically, before I had the update button in here, I clicked on it, I updated it, and now when it says open, that means that I already have the latest update, basically, just so you know. So try this and then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.